Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute tube update for Bitcoin. Today we have October the 13th and a lot of things to talk about, guys. So let's go. This is your Turbo update and very fast for TikTok and Instagram, 3 minutes only for the Turbo. So let's start the party. And here we are. This is Tradingfees, and on the 1 hour we can see we should sell Bitcoin. Everything is telling us we should sell Bitcoin. Summary, oscillators and moving averages. 2 hours sell Bitcoin. 4 hours neutral as the Switzerland, and the 1 day is telling us the big time frame we should buy Bitcoin. Only the oscillators are now on sale. This is really important. And on the weekly also the oscillators are on sale. This is really amazing. It's a long time ago that we saw this, guys. So here is the Bitcoin market cap, the dominance, and you can see we are going down with the dominance on this day. So it is better for the moment to trade the altcoins as Bitcoin. You can see it here also on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going down 3% in a minus. Ethereum is going up a little bit, 1.14, but the Binance coin is going up amazing, 16%. ADA Cardano 1.28%. XRP is going up, Solana is going up, Polkadot is going up, and yes, on the upside we can see it. 45.6% is the dominance for Bitcoin for the moment. Ethereum is going down a little bit with 17.9%. So guys, this is a 4-hour time frame, and you can see on this 4-hour time frame why here is a big fight. I told you yesterday, danger, alarma, and it was a perfect hit because we saw a nice spike to the downside. I sold here on the upside, and this is now the big thing. The big thing is, guys, we are on the Fibonacci. We saw the fight with the Fibonacci 0.786 at 57,100. We lost the fight for the moment and we went down here. Also, the big problem is the uptrend channel. You can see it here on the upside. This is also a big resistance. Now, the big thing is, guys, we have here this blue line. This is the middle line of our uptrend channel, and we have the next line towards the Fibonacci line 0.618. But now, for the moment, we must, and this is one of the important things, hold this channel. This is a little green uptrend channel, and you can see it here. This is a big point. We have here higher lows for the moment, and we need higher lows. So 45,000, this is important, must hold here in this little parallel uptrend channel, guys. Let me check the next thing, and let me check the RSI on the downside. What is telling us this one? And you can see we are here on 46 points, not overbought, not oversold, and we are going down with the RSI. Bearish divergence. I told you this yesterday. Please watch the video from yesterday. It's really important. And we can see here this fat line here to the downside, a red one, yes. And this is our resistance. We need to fight back over the resistance. We need to fight back over the resistance and to make a new support. For the moment, we are under this resistance, and as long as we're under this, the RSI is bearish. Guys, 3 minutes are over now. TikTok fans buy, Instagram fans buy, and we are moving on here on YouTube. If you would like to see it, check YouTube. So guys, the next thing, what's going on here on the next time frame? No, before we start this, the candlestick patterns. What is going on with the candlestick patterns? And this is really important, guys, because I told you on the last days, attention, we are building bearish pattern. And yes, we can see it here, or we saw it here yesterday, the bearish haramis, the bearish engulfing, a lot of bearish patterns. And then yesterday, the doji. The doji, the perfect sign for a trend reversal. It was also a perfect hit. I sold by the doji. And you can see doji, bearish harami, bam, to the downside. It was a nice short and a nice sell here of Bitcoin. Buy low, sell high. This is the thing. And now you can see bullish harami is here for the moment. Okay, I'm not so ultra bullish. I'm in a little long position here, but not ultra bullish for the moment, because we have a lot of things to watch with the resistances. So you can see here on the right side, we are building the next candle. Maybe we are building the next doji. We will see, guys, we will see. But for the moment, we need to stay in this parallel channel. This is the important thing for the moment. We need to stay over 54,000. And you can see on the downside, as I told you, 0.618, 51,000. This is the next Fibonacci line and also the middle line here. So guys, if you are not in a long position, wait a little bit, because it's possible to go down here if we will lose this parallel channel, if we will lose this fight with the parallel channel here. Because you can see it, also we saw a big spikes to the downside and a little up, down. So it's possible that we saw here the highest point and now down again, little up, down again, little up, down again, and so on, guys. You know it. You know the game with trading. Okay. Middle line must hold 51,000. If we're going down, is the next Fibonacci that should hold. And now let's check the 1 hour time frame. And this is now really amazing, guys, because we see here now, if we are checking the RSI, the ribbon band, a really interesting stuff, guys. Let me show you. We see here the EMA 200, and look at this spike at the EMA 200. It was a nice long opportunity here. It was a perfect hit. Look at this perfect. And if you made a long position at the EMA 200, you make a good gain to the upside. You made good gains to the upside because this was a really nice long here. So now we saw the second spike near to the EMA 200 and we are still over the EMA 200. So it's important to stay over the EMA 200. It's important to make higher lows, guys. This is also really important. Let me show you one thing, and so you can see why we are fighting here at this moment. And you can see we are now in this downtrend. Yes, for sure, it's a red one. And you can see we are fighting with the middle line. The middle line is the resistance now with this little downtrend, and we are fighting over the middle line. And so it's easy. It's really easy to make TA, or if you see this parallel channel to the downside, the middle line, we know, okay, here's the big fight. We see the EMA 200, that's the big support. And here on the downside is the parallel channel, the last line, the last hope for us to stay over this. 5 minutes are over, okay. But let me show you one thing, guys. Remember this, if you're watching the chart picture, if you are watching on your smartphone, whatever, this support line on the downside, the fat green support line is 54,000. As long as we are over this line, everything is okay. But guys, if we will lose 54,000, it's possible to go down here really fast and really deep. I showed you this yesterday. Please watch my video from yesterday. You can see there everything you need to know about this if you're going down here. So guys, the video is over. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. I wish you just the best, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support and your nice comments, your thumbs up from yesterday. I will call the names tomorrow maybe. And thank you guys for every support you can give me. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye guys.
System activated.